Hi, I'm Dave from Top10.com Reviews. We're here to help make decisions easier. We spend hours reviewing products and services and comparing features so you don't have to. Our goal is to bring you the 10 best options every time. Let's talk about Ancestry.com. When it comes to numbers, Ancestry.com certainly has bragging rights. With a database that tops 10 million users and 20 billion historical records, Ancestry.com is able to deliver more specific insights than other DNA test kit services of its ilk. The breadth and depth of the database allows Ancestry.com to give you loads of information about yourself. And you can build a digital family tree online too. Ancestry.com is hands down your best choice if you're looking for the most comprehensive research resource. That's because Ancestry.com has the undisputed widest database of historical records in the world. Well done, Ancestry.com. You can get DNA matches, origins, and more with one test. Ancestry.com uses the saliva-based DNA test kit collection method. This is not as popular as the cheek swab method, but it's still worlds better than having to prick yourself and collect your own blood sample or go down to a lab and have someone else do it for you. Ancestry.com has testing kits available for $99 a kit, but you'll probably end up paying closer to $59 with the frequent sales. You can also get a personal traits test add-on for another $20. Shipping costs $9.95 for one kit and $4.95 per additional kit. Ancestry.com delivers your DNA test kit result in roughly 6 to 8 weeks. This is about the industry average, with some testing kit services delivering results in 4 to 6 weeks. When you average it out, though, the difference is negligible. A DNA test kit service is only as good as its database size. Ancestry.com has an unbelievable 20 billion historical records within its database. This is possibly the largest library in the entire industry, making Ancestry.com the big cheese when it comes to ancestry and historical fact-finding. Ancestry.com has a lot of information within its reports. You can get ethnic makeup estimates, along with regional details. Then there are the neat migration paths that show deep ancestry trails and Neanderthal DNA. We also really love the DNA relative matching feature that shows you possible relative matches. Ancestry.com also lets you test out personal traits like eye color, vitamin influences, cleft chin, taste sensitivities, and more. This is really a neat feature that helps you learn more about yourself. You can also print posters, books, and photo albums created from your family tree. In addition to the standard genealogy reporting, Ancestry.com offers autosomal results that provides you with another layer of clarity when trying to learn more about your family roots and ethnicity. Additionally, Ancestry.com has health testing if you're interested in learning more about genetic diseases and dispositions. Ancestry.com has email and chatbot customer support. There's also a tremendous help center on the site and fact sheets to download for DIY troubleshooting. Or you can pick up a phone and call the toll-free number for more hands-on customer support. Ancestry.com doesn't share your personal information without your consent. You maintain ownership of your data at all times. Ancestry.com's DNA testing kit is every bit as high quality as its ancestry and family tree building services. The depth of research you can do with its dizzying number of records is unending, and you can't beat the price. The personal trait research feature is definitely next level cool. I hope this video helped you decide whether Ancestry.com is the right DNA testing kit for your needs. For an in-depth look into hundreds of other products and services, make sure to check out Top10.com's extensive collection of reviews.